And it started with Facebook a couple of quarters ago when they disappointed and the stock fell sharply. And then slowly but surely up until Apple last week, they've gotten to all the names. So each of these stocks going forward are going to trade on their own footing and not as a group.
And in terms of what that means for broader momentum in the market, does that break down with it and even the positivity, not just the momentum?
Yeah, well, that's certainly the problem for the bigger market, since these were the main leaders of this bull market. The FANG names, in addition to technology. Semiconductors, also a key part of the bull market, has sharply broken down this year because their end markets are slowing. So taken together, there's really no leadership anymore in the stock market.
Peter, I want to dig into this a little bit more. Is FANG collectively dead here, in your opinion, or are there opportunities within some of these individual stock names, especially given the pullbacks we've seen and in some cases corrections we've seen in the share prices?
Well, it is a great question. I think collectively there's no question the trade is dead. And if you look at the individual names, you look at Apple, almost 2/3 of their income coming from a product that's not growing anymore, that being the iPhone. Amazon, $1 trillion valuation at its peak. You wonder how much is left in terms of growth, and the competition is getting more intense. Facebook having its own issues. Google's still growing, but people are worried about the growth rates. And taking them all together, they're all sensitive to strength in the dollar and also a slowdown in global growth, since they are big multinational companies.
Peter, just to switch focus very quickly, what did you make of the news overnight about trade talks starting again with China and those comments from Larry Kudlow earlier on CNBC?
I hope it leads to something. I think Navarro was way out of place on Friday, and I'm glad Larry called him out in his interview today. And hopefully we get some substance. Now, we may just get optics that China buys more of our goods. Well, that really doesn't accomplish the whole point of why they put tariffs on to begin with, and that was to deal with intellectual property and U.S. technology and theft and so on. So unless those issues are dealt with, then this is just optic noise. And it's really hard to believe that they're going to come to some agreement within the next couple of weeks. But I'm hopeful, and it would be good news if they did.